Welcome back, everybody. Let's talk about connection. When a nerve is damaged, if it's inflamed, if it's compressed, if it's stretched, it's basically like your brain loses the number for the hand or the foot that it's connected to. It's kind of like the texts aren't going through, the voicemail box is full, and you start getting these weird sensations like numbness, tingling, burning, shocking sensations, those sorts of things. In chiropractic, we talk a lot about the brain-body connection, and for good reason. If the brain isn't connected to the body, then healing doesn't happen the way the good Lord intended. Think about it kind of like a marriage. If people aren't talking, not a whole lot gets done. The question then becomes how to restore connection. This is where chiropractic adjustments and gentle spinal traction, which you can do at home, by the way, come into play. They open up those joints, they open up those neural highways so that your brain can become reconnected with the body parts, with the hands, with the feet, with the muscles, with the organs, so that that healing can continue and you can keep taking care of your body. Add in some mindful movements like wiggling your toes, or maybe visualizing that healing taking place, and before you know it, you're reintroducing you to yourself. Now, reuniting takes effort, reconnecting takes effort, but like old friends, it's totally worth it. Thanks for watching today's video. In the next video, we're going to be talking about stimulation, and this is that third part. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Also, send it to a family member who's dealing with nerve pains. They'll thank you later. And of course, if you don't have an appointment scheduled with your local chiropractor, go ahead and get that booked. We're here to help you be able to heal smarter and not have to work so much harder. I'll see you guys in the next video.